So the question is, when should you do on-page SEO? This is a very important question, and this question is in the mind of almost every expert, and this question is in the mind of every person, that when should you do on-page optimization? Should I keep stuffing the keywords? What should be the criteria of on-page SEO? How often should I do on-page SEO? So basically, some things on your website requires one-time setup, like structuring your page is a one-time setup. Adding security protocol, SSL certificate is a one-time effort. So basically, on-page SEO, on-page optimization is every time a job. Whenever you post a blog on your website, you create a page and you have to optimize that particular blog in order to rank, or in order to cover the basics of search engine optimization. So when should you do on-page SEO? The answer is, it's a continuous job. You have to do on-page optimization at every time. Whenever you are posting something on your website, you have to focus on the on-page search engine optimization. So on-page SEO should be done even if you rank number 1 in search results, because SEO is an ongoing process. So here you can see that if you are ranking number 1 on the search engine, you have to keep pushing, because SEO is an ongoing process. And this particular session is answering that, when should you do on-page SEO? So here you can see the importance of on-page SEO.